Yeah, I'm staring at the computer. Bye. All right, so it is a new day. My hair kind of smells like shit, but it's all good. Okay. Why does it smell like someone literally took a fucking shit inside my I thought it was my hair. It's not. It's just. I'm on my way to work at the moment. Raining out. The weather is looking great. How? Just explain. All right, this is the place of work. This is where we make our money. This is also where I get tickets, and this goddamn. I'm not getting into that. That's politics. That shit probably looks so stupid. This hat is oh shit.
It's always a mixed bag.
This is Jake. So you have a mission. You got to go up to the new bridge. Yeah, you need to go document.
I'm about it, bro.
Yeah, I need you to like full Instagram content, create that shit.
Bro, I don't know. I need to jump. I'm just gonna try and go as fast as possible, but it's raining, so like.
So we got it on Jake's helmet now.
Yeah.
Now you can see him. Don't be going all wild and stuff.
Marvin, dap me up.
What?
Dap me up.
No, your hands are up.
Yo, we in this. Is she
What are you about to do?
Yo.
This on some Diddy shit. Oh, okay. I was ill prepared. Well, where you going with it?
To this station.
I need it.
Get it, get it.
Do you think about the days when we sat down smoking wine and drinking hazel? Thank you. Have a good day. Oh, fuck. Woo! Check out the waterfall. Woo! Woo!
Come on, guys, let's go see what's happening at the snack bar. I don't know how to. I closed my checkout by accident. Do you know how to reopen it? Amber's currently helping me open my checkout. How can I help you guys?
Can we get 2 hot dogs, 2 hot chocolates, and a thing of chips?
Yeah, quick. Oh, sorry, I just took this from my coworker. I'm trying to set it up. Okay, guys, we're going to make hot cocoa. Let's go, chat. Okay, guys, back to it.
You're a bitch.
Shane said you're a bitch if you didn't hear it. This is a mess. This is the hot cocoa. We have no straw. No, I'm vlogging. We're gonna get the fries in a second. Alright, here you go. Have a good one, guys. That was very awkward, guys.
Since you got your degree and you know everything.
Y'all might as well be casting out without the money and not being fine as hell like him. You know, I can't believe he got a girlfriend, guys. Like, my heart is broken and shattered into a million pieces. Like, my husband got a girlfriend behind my back. Like, oh. It's kind of funny, I guess. Oh, I love her. I love her.
No, 5,000 would change my life right now.
There, put that down, go to work.
I am working. Oh, look at Tristan's fat ass. Always eating.
Damn, you've been running this shit for 14 minutes. You understand I gotta chop that up? Call me big, but I'm eating a salad.
Teeny tiny little Pinky.
She gonna call me fat, but I'm eating a goddamn salad. How the hell did that work?
Okay, bro, but he obviously had something else too. He had that whole bowl of gnocchis,
Yo,
bro.
don't show them the evidence. Don't show them. Whoa,
Yo,
hold
I'm
on.
trying to
Listen.
make a vlog, bro.
It's
like,
cheese and potatoes. My hands down. Joe, chill out. Don't show my fat ass forehead. And yo, you can land on that plane. Look at that.
ooh, look.
All right,
Oh
bro.
my-
It be like that. Dude, this hat makes me look like I got a mushroom on my head.
So guys, when he posts this and he gets like viral because of me, that my Cash App is.
I told you.
Guys, let's get these likes up in the chat. Like.
We don't do that here. We barely even talk to them.
No, they're here, bro. They're always here. 27. Let the fucking go.
Jake, I gotta put that back together. Okay, go the fuck.
Look, guys, this is called Tristan work harassment because he's a big bitch. Okay, guys, do we want to learn how to fuck up Tristan because his big ass mouth?
What is this, Dora the Explorer?
Night.
Do you see a big back?
Charles don't want shit to do with you, Charles. Got some cute shoes on and shit. He ate, okay.
Bro, why are you not working? Everybody working but you.
Bro,
Big hairy balls.
It didn't break! Yeah, so anyway, I was, They got her too! They're not gonna be able to get me. I'm a hidden soldier.
Tryna catch me riding dirty. Tryna catch me riding dirty. Tryna catch me riding dirty. They can see the gleam and the shine in the TV screen.